Your brain is basically a supercomputer, and its power comes from neurons. So, what are neurons? They're special cells in your brain, spinal cord, and nerves that carry messages using electrical and chemical signals. Neurons are the reason you can move, think, feel, and remember. Now let's break down their parts. Dendrites are branch-like receivers. They pick up signals from other neurons like antennas listening in. Soma, or the cell body, is the control center. It holds the nucleus, which keeps the neuron alive and running. Axons are a long cable that sends messages away from the cell body. Myelin sheath is a fatty coating that wraps the axon, making messages travel up to 90 meters per second. Schwann cells in your peripheral nerves are the cells that actually make that myelin. They don't just insulate the axon, they also help it heal if it gets damaged. And between these myelin segments, tiny gaps called the nodes of Ranvier. They may look small, but they're crucial. They let the signal jump from node to node, a process called saltatory conduction, which makes your messages travel even faster. The nerve ending at the end of the axon passes signals to the next neuron across a tiny gap using neurotransmitters, your brain's chemical messengers. And here's the crazy part. Neurons are very small. In a human, there are around 100 billion neurons in their head alone. That many all squish into a size smaller than a basketball. That's how these tiny cells create everything you think, feel, and do. Want more science breakdowns? Like and subscribe for the next deep dive.